Hello, Kaspers here. I'm back with a new product. What we have got for you today is an all-in-one solution for LTE, Internet of Things, GPS and wireless communication. And we call it the LtAP LROA LTE kit. But before we dive into the specs, let's start with an example. Imagine a farmer. He has cattle, grain storage and irrigation system. And he would like to track his animals, monitor the grain stock level and control his irrigation system. He can use low-cost wireless sensors to gather all the data using the LtAP and upload it to the cloud in real time with the LTE connection. Now, all the information he needs to monitor and plan the growth of his farm is in one place. So simple, so handy. The technology behind this is called LoRa, which stands for long range. It comprises of wireless sensors which are low cost, require low power, thus making LoRa the best way building your IoT solutions. LoRa can be used for virtually anything, starting from smart homes to agriculture, supply chains, logistics, and even for smart cities. It can monitor parking spaces, track utility services, measure environmental data, and so on. The possibilities are endless. There is even a free LoRa server infrastructure that you can use and which the LtAP supports, the Things Network. With a large community of developers and enthusiasts, you will never be alone with your LoRa questions. Okay, let's get back to the LtAP itself. Even without the LoRa capabilities, it is an impressive and rugged device. In its heavy-duty case, it has a 2.4 GHz wireless, a gigabit Ethernet, built-in GPS, serial console, and USB. It has several powering options, the regular DC jack, PoE in, and automotive connector for use in vehicles. It has 3 SIM slots which can be used for roaming. For example, you could set up an automatic switching of mobile operators when crossing a border. There are built-in LTE antennas, but you can attach external ones. The same goes for the GPS. You can add external antenna as well. By the way, we have included a simple application example on our router's website, so you can start real-time location tracking right away. We have taken this already versatile device and added LoRa support, so you can start living the future of smart solutions. It can make your life so much easier. Okay, but what if you don't need so many features? We've got you covered. Head over to the IoT section of our website and you will find LtAP LROA kit there. Another simple but powerful out-of-the-box LoRa solution. Or maybe you want to build your own custom solution. No worries, LoRa gateway cards and antennas are also available separately. All in all, Internet of Things has never been so affordable. So what are you waiting for? Contact your MikroTik distributor today and let the smart technology work for you.